Hello everyone, my name is Sugar and welcome to my new YouTube video. I'm not filming the top of my head because I need to brush my hair. Also, um, my eyes are a bit red because I have an allergy. And as you probably can see, I'm not at my apartment, I'm at home. And when I see this thing, I know that I'm at home. Dough. When I see any kind of dough, I know I'm at home because I'm from Srem and we love dough. My parents are not at home currently, so I decided to film this quickly because I would be a bit uncomfortable doing this when my parents are here. Also, I'm sitting by the window and I hope that no one goes by while I'm filming this. So my dad was in Sweden for like a little bit more than a week, and he brought me some gifts. Not a ton of gifts, but I'm really satisfied. I've got a lot of candy, I've got the perfume, and I was so happy because of this. I've got 3 technical pens, or however you call them, and there are 2 grays and 1 blue, and I love gray. Also, my eyes are so red, I can't even. I've got Beyonce perfume, which is a bit stronger for my taste, but it's really nice when it wears off a little bit, and I can't show you the box because my phone is standing on the box. I've got some candy, and my dad bought all of them in Sweden. I've got some candy, and my dad bought all of them in Sweden, but not all of them are Swedish, so I've got Haribo Mega Happy Cola, which I ate almost everything. As I know, Haribo is German, but there is not German on the package, only Scandinavian languages. So maybe it is Scandinavian edition of Haribo. Haribo is not new to me. I love Haribo, but it's a bit on a pricier side here, so I don't buy it very often. Second thing is Tutti Frutti Passion, and this is from Finland, so I'm intrigued. Oh my. Now I'm going to set the video I uploaded last night on public. It is a mid-year book freakout tag, however you say it. My mom just came home. I can hear the door. And it is up. Now I will share it to Cat Kompisar group and my Instagram. I need to edit one more vlog actually, and then I need to go to that laptop and make my mom a Facebook account. Hi everyone, it's tomorrow morning and let's put this in a timeline. I came to my hometown 2 days ago, Monday evening. Yesterday I was at home, and now I'm going to Belgrade just to take one document out of my apartment, take a picture of it and send it to my faculty.
So I'm basically going to Belgrade because of this one document. But while I'm there, I'm going to do some other things and to go and buy a gift for my best friend because her birthday was in June and now it's half of July. But we haven't seen each other for like 1.5 months, and that's better. My mom really doesn't like my piercing, so I flip it up while I'm at home. So now I'm heading to the bus station. So I decided to talk a little bit more because there is nobody on the street besides my neighbor in the car. So I decided to talk a little bit more because there is nobody on the street besides my neighbor in the car. He probably thinks that I'm crazy. So I haven't slept this evening. And why? Because somebody sent me link for Skam, Norwegian TV show, at 3 a.m. So I've been watching it until 15 minutes ago. I binge watched the first season and I love it. And my favorite character, do you call it character, is Nora, because she's smart and totally sarcastic. Also, I'm wearing high-waisted jeans and I know that I'm going to regret that decision later. I'm not sure if I changed so much during the past 3 years, so nobody in my town recognized me, but nobody is saying hi to me. I'm at my apartment! Woo-hoo. This apartment is really small. I think in English you call it studio apartment when it's just one room. So, do you want apartment tour? Would that be interesting to you? Because I have like this area, this area, and this area, and that's it. So, if you would like an apartment tour video, let me know. Now, I'm sweaty as fuck. I'm going to pack some things and then leave my pretty apartment because I need to go to the faculty and then I need to go to buy some repro material because I'm here for 2 months and I didn't receive any jewelry orders, and the day I go home for 2 weeks I got 3 jewelry orders. Now, why is my watch constantly on? So now I'm going to put my phone on charger to recharge a bit. I'm going to put a bowl of water in the fridge. I'm going to pack all the things I need and I'm going to leave my apartment there. And then, because now it's 11:30 and my bus ticket is valid until 12:30. So I need to get into the bus until 12:30, or I will pay another ticket basically. This shot makes me want short hair, but then I remember that I have giraffe neck. I'm going to do what I need to do now. I'm close to home, so that will happen. Only fools are outside at this heat. It's 32 degrees, which is not that much. It could be much worse, it could be 40, but I just came from Belgrade and the temperature in the sun and in the concrete is much higher, so I'm like soaking wet. Now I'm eating nuts. I need to correct some text for the site, and then I'm going to watch Scam. I am currently in my friend's house. She's in the shower and her parents are outside, so I'm watching Friends because I feel like at home when I'm here. It's a day later and I'm just going to wrap up this vlog. As you could see, yesterday I went to the lake with my best friend, and oh well, in the same spot we have pool and all young people go to the pool. So we thought that there wouldn't be much people at the lake, but it was so many people, and there were only old people and really loud children. So it wasn't like a pleasant experience. I don't swim, I don't do pools, lakes, etc. I don't like being in the water with other people. So I was like sitting on the side and eating, and out of like 1.5 hours, he was 15 minutes in the water. So we decided to pack and we went to the city center to eat ice cream, and that was it. So nothing special. Now I'm eating watermelon, which is warm, so it's not the best, but I'll take it. And I'm going to try to edit one video and film another one. So wish me luck. I hope that this vlog wasn't too boring for you, and if it was, that you at least enjoyed footage of the cats. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you next time. My hands are dirty. See ya.